What would happen if you fell into Jupiter? This colossal planet, a swirling behemoth of gas, dominates our solar system. It's a question that has intrigued scientists and stargazers alike. What would it be like to plunge into the heart of this giant? What forces would you encounter? What mysteries would you uncover? Although it looks like a swirling watercolor painting, a beautiful canvas painted across the cosmos, these vibrant colors hide a turbulent and unforgiving environment. These aren't gentle brushstrokes, they're colossal storms raging across a planet of unimaginable scale. Jupiter is actually a massive gas giant with no solid surface, a swirling sphere composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. Unlike Earth, there's no ground to break your fall, no solid crust to offer resistance. It's a descent into an ever-thickening atmosphere, just deep, dense layers of atmosphere, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. As you descend, the pressure and temperature would increase dramatically, creating an environment hostile to any known form of life. You'd be crushed and cooked in short order. If you tried to jump into it wearing a regular spacesuit, Jupiter's intense radiation would kill you before arrival. The radiation belts surrounding Jupiter are incredibly powerful, a lethal barrage of high-energy particles that would tear through your suit and your body. It's a cosmic gauntlet you simply couldn't survive. But let's imagine you have a special suit that can handle everything, a suit capable of withstanding immense pressure, extreme temperatures, and lethal radiation. A suit forged from the most advanced materials, equipped with cutting-edge technology to protect you from the crushing depths of Jupiter. You'd begin your fall at extreme speeds, around 180,000 kilometers per h, because of Jupiter's powerful gravity. After about 250 kilometers, you'd reach cold ammonia clouds with minus 150 degrees Celsius temperatures and hurricane-like winds up to 482 kilometers per h due to Jupiter's fast rotation. A day there lasts only 9.5 Earth hours. Descending deeper, around 370 kilometers in, you'd pass the limit where NASA's Galileo probe was destroyed in 1995. It would become pitch black, lit only by violent lightning storms. The pressure would now be over 1,000 times that of Earth, and only your advanced suit would keep you alive. As you continue your descent, surrendering to the planet's pull, the very nature of the atmosphere transforms around you. The gas, once light and ethereal, begins a bizarre metamorphosis. It transitions into a supercritical fluid, a fascinating state of matter that blurs the lines between liquid and gas. Imagine a substance with the density of a liquid, but the viscosity of a gas, a truly alien environment enveloping you. This is where the familiar laws of physics begin to bend and twist. The deeper you plunge, the more intense the environment becomes. Temperatures are not just rising, they are escalating to unimaginable extremes. Soon you find yourself immersed in heat that rivals the surface of our own sun. The very molecules of your being are bombarded by this incredible energy, a testament to the raw power contained within this alien world. Survival becomes a question of enduring the unbearable, but the heat is only half the story. As you descend further, the pressure mounts relentlessly, crushing everything in its path. It builds to millions of times the pressure found on Earth's surface, an incomprehensible force that reshapes matter itself. Under these conditions, hydrogen, the simplest element, undergoes a radical transformation, becoming metallic hydrogen, a strange, dense liquid with properties unlike anything we know. This exotic substance could become your final resting place, a dense, inescapable trap from which there is no return, forever suspended in the crushing depths. Imagine continuing your descent, deeper and deeper into the swirling abyss of Jupiter. If you keep going, braving the ever-increasing pressures and temperatures, you might eventually reach Jupiter's mysterious core. Scientists theorize it could be solid, a dense ball of heavy elements forged under unimaginable forces. Or perhaps it's a super-dense exotic liquid unlike anything we've ever encountered on Earth. The truth remains elusive, hidden beneath layers of swirling gas and metallic hydrogen. Either way, once you reach that depth, you'd be irrevocably stuck there. The crushing pressure, thousands of times greater than what we experience on Earth, would make any return journey impossible. You'd be enveloped in a sea of metallic hydrogen, a bizarre state of matter where hydrogen acts like a liquid metal, conducting electricity with ease. There would be zero chance of rescue, no hope of ever escaping the immense gravitational pull of this gas giant. And to compound your isolation because radio signals can't effectively penetrate Jupiter's dense and turbulent atmosphere, you'd be completely cut off from the outside world. No communication with Earth, no lifeline to cling to. You would be utterly alone, a silent observer in the heart of a colossal planet, witnessing phenomena beyond human comprehension but unable to share your discoveries. In the end, falling into Jupiter would be a fascinating, albeit one-way journey, a plunge into the unknown, a dance with unimaginable forces. But ultimately, it would be deadly. And perhaps it's better we keep this giant planet a beautiful mystery, a distant world to inspire our imaginations and fuel our scientific curiosity, observe from afar with respect and awe, rather than experience firsthand in a fatal embrace.